Hi, I'm Mark from L&M Small Engine. Today we'll be working on a Jonsered two-wheel trimmer with a Briggs & Stratton 625 E series engine on it. They were cutting their weeds and they broke their belt, and they ordered a belt either from the company or at the hardware store or something, but they can't get the belt on, so I told them to bring it here and we'll try to figure out how to get that belt on. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, we gotta take these covers off. Looks like this top one looks like a Torx. We gotta take this off so we can get to the belts. Looks like there's a couple 5/16. Should be one on both sides here. I see one down here. Like that's bigger than a 5/16. Those are 3/8. Kind of hard to tell with all that grass. One more here. There we go. See how I can do this. I guess I could lay it on the muffler side. I don't think so. I'm going to take this mechanism apart because this side of the belt, there's a V-idler pulley here and a flat idler pulley here. So we got to put this belt in between there. I'm going to take out that front plate so there's more room to see. So we gotta take it apart, and this will go in there like that. Grab some wrenches for that. Okay, I'm gonna take this whole bracket off because I have to get a wrench on the back side of these nuts. So just remember how everything goes. Got a spacer. I'll just put this nut back on here because there's a spacer in the back. I don't want to lose that spacer. Okay. So that goes like that. So you loosen these, take this one off and loosen that one up. Need a 5/8 wrench. And I was going to loosen this side up. I'm not going to take this side. All the way off. Yeah, 9/16 socket too. Okay, so that comes like that. That's how it goes, like that. And hook the spring up. Hope they got the right size belt. If they don't, then I'm gonna tear this all apart again. It goes like that, then we pull it handle. That's how it tightens up. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be fun here. I can tell right now that belt's too tight. They're like an inch. The holes don't even line up. So they bought the wrong belt. There's a bolts up here. This is where they go in right here. And see how they don't line up. They go bolt right here, and that's supposed to go in here, and it's all the way tight. So what I'm gonna do, the model number and everything's on the side right over here. This is a Jonsered. That's a sister company of Husqvarna. So I'm gonna go. That's what I should have done in the first place, I guess. But they said they had the right belt. But I'll go look it up and see what size belt it's supposed to have on there. I'll be right back. Okay, I looked it up. They had a 3/8 by 40-inch belt, and it's supposed to have a 3/8 by 41.
So, I'm gonna give this a try.
So I better hook the spring up first. That's much better now. Okay, I'm just gonna move this lever. Make sure the belt gets tight. Okay. Okay, you want to free spin when it's not on a load. No, squeeze the handle, and we should be able to spin that, and it should spin the motor over. Not starting it, but it should spin it over. That way we know we have the proper belt on there. Finish putting this thing back together again, and we'll try it out. There we go. That's much better there. Oh, now them 2 side screws. Okie dokie. Alrighty. Let's take it off the table and try it out. Alright, well there you go. I was gonna ready to cut some weeds now. I hope this video helped you out. I appreciate you watching. If you like the videos, please press the like button and please subscribe. Anyways, you have a good afternoon.